with a Norfolk Southern freight coming off the Garrettsville division onto the Youngstown Railroad Club layout, Youngstown Railroad Association. Mixed freight is arriving in the yard for a crew change at the P&LE station. Here's a Conrail freight that's also arriving into the yard for its crew change as well. This is a major crew change point. The NS engines have backed off their train, uncoupled, and went up to the station to do their crew change and couple up to their new train heading back to Garrettsville. Running around their coal train engineer Gavin is in the crew. Measured up. Clear, P&LE station. We're heading back to Garrettsville. C25 out. The NS train is passing the old coke ovens. Here's our caboose today, and it's an old Conrail caboose, and let's get to the video.
Yeah, fine. Boom, boom. Yeah. Come on. Alright. Stop. Okay. I know.
C25 clear. East Big Yard. Big Yard. C25 clear, Garrettsville Junction. Third signal. I came up with a lot of my own names to give a sense of what's railroad, and I couldn't remember the interlock town names, and my friend's layout's the Garrettsville division, and that's why I did that. And I did that and made it as a train that was going to his railroad. Otherwise, progress on the railroad, they've ballasted a couple of yards. They took out their old ballast. They added LEDs and new buildings on this backdrop over the yard, over this one yard, and they ballasted the main yard and redid some track work up. I didn't go upstairs, so I heard they also had to daylight all the tunnels so they could run inner, and they're making the tunnels taller because they couldn't run the intermodal trains that some members wanted to, because the layout's based on the 50s, so they had to compromise, and they had to make the tunnels really a lot taller because there wasn't much clearance anyway, so they decided to make the tunnels wider and taller. Here's a steam special local historic site he's putting on. Other than the steam special, there is a Santa Fe war bonnet that's also running with a mixed freight special too. And there's a bunch of rail fans out today, and there's a lot of pictures getting taken, and here's one of the shots another rail fan did today. Here's the industrial park engine house and control panel. So thanks for Gavin inviting me and letting me come over to the club. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye.